everyone! It's Miss Ashton from the Pea Ridge Library, and today it's very cold and we're making little bird feeders for our birdie friends. Grab your kits and let's begin! Hello friends! Today we are going to be making a bird feeder. If you picked up your craft kits at the Pea Ridge Library, you should have 2 toilet paper rolls, 2 skewers, careful they're pointy and sharp, some bird seed, and a little jar of peanut butter, and some twine. You will need something to spread your peanut butter with, and a plate just to make sure that you don't get super messy. A hole punch is also nice, but I'm just gonna stab. So the first thing you want to do is to take your 2 toilet paper rolls. Mine for some reason already have 1 hole each in them, but I'm going to take the sharp end of my skewer and make a hole directly across from the already punched hole. And that's going to be for the string on the top. And then I'm going to go down here to the bottom and make holes. Be very careful, don't hurt yourself, for the skewers for the birds to sit on. And as you can see, these skewers are a little long. You can ask a parent to cut these for you, or you can just break them off. So there's 1 hole, and I'm going to go ahead and use the other skewer to stab holes because you can't do them directly in the same spot because the skewers will hit each other. So I just want to make sure. Perfect. Oh, my tip broke. Alright, now we're ready. I'm going to pull these out. Do this to both of your toilet paper rolls. And then open your Jif to go. I absolutely love these. I eat these normally, but we're not going to eat them today because this is for the birds. I absolutely love to watch the birds outside, especially in the snow. We get a little bit of snow in our area every year this time of year, and I love to watch them around a bird feeder. In the winter months, like when it's cooler, birds need more fat in order to survive and stay warm, so that's why you can feed them peanut butter. It's not advised during the summer though, just because the peanut butter can get rancid and that can hurt the birds and in some cases even kill them. We don't want to hurt our little birdie friends. They're pollinators. They sing us nice songs. Make sure you get not a super thick layer, but just like a thin layer all the way around. And it doesn't have to be perfect. In some places it's going to be a little gloopier than others. I'm just going to check and make sure. Parents, it may be a good idea to go grab like hand wipes or baby wipes if you've got some, or have a sink close by ready to be for a hand washing station. Because this next bit, there are actually 2 different ways that you can go about this. You can either pour your bird seed onto the plate, which I think I'm going to do on one side to demonstrate how you can do this. That'll work. I also saw where some people were just picking it up and hand sprinkling it over and pressing it in. That works too. I'm going to do this because it's relatively mess free. I used to make these when I was younger out of pine cones too, so if you can find some pine cones, you can definitely make some bird feeders. Alright friends, we are almost done. Make sure that your toilet paper roll is nice and coated in that bird seed for little bird friends. Now, we're going to take our skewers. I'm going to break this one in half and try to do it as evenly as possible. Again, be very careful not to hurt yourself. And I'm gonna go on a hunt for those holes that I poked earlier. I think this is one. Yeah. You can look inside the tube and find them relatively easily. All right, there's one bird perch. Aww. Now we just have to add our string. Now all you have left to do is to find a comfy seat next to a window, grab a hot cup of tea or cocoa, and birdwatch. We have several bird watching books here at the library. You can also download an app onto your smart device called Merlin by the Cornell Lab. This is what I personally use for birding. You can search for what your bird was by the size, color, and where you saw it, and it will give you what is most likely in our area at that given time doing that location. You can also help the Cornell Lab by gathering data for them by telling them what bird you saw at that time, which is pretty cool. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe.